What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cocktail Cards. I'm AJ, and today we're gonna have some sex on the beach. All right, so this drink was the most requested cocktail on Instagram, and you know, it's beautiful, it tastes good, it's got a fun name, so it doesn't surprise me at all. So let's go ahead and go over the ingredients to make the sex on the beach. Now, this is a vodka-based drink, so you do need some vodka. We're gonna be going with Tito's for this one. Next, you're gonna need a peach schnapps. It is crucial to have peach schnapps for this drink, so if you don't have it, go to the store and get it. You can find it anywhere, and really makes this drink taste the way that it does. Next, we're gonna need some fresh squeezed orange juice, and lastly, we're gonna need cranberry juice. We're just gonna go with Ocean Spray cranberry juice for this one. Now, for the garnish, it's gonna come with an orange wheel and also some cherries. So if you just have some big, red cherries, that's totally fine. I have some fancy Luxardo cherries. That's just what I have in the house, so we're gonna be using that. So let's go ahead and jump in how to make this drink. So traditionally, this drink is served in a highball glass or a hurricane style glass. And oftentimes at bars, you'll go there and they'll just layer the drinks because it just looks really beautiful to have the orange and the red from the cranberry juice kind of separated from each other. And I think that's notoriously kind of one of the reasons why people love this drink. So I am still going to shake it, but I'm not gonna shake it with the cranberry juice because we're gonna try and get that layered look, but still shake the drink up so it tastes as good as possible when you drink it. So let's go ahead and grab a pint glass, and we're just gonna build the drink in the pint glass and then give it a shake. First thing we're gonna do is add 1.5 ounces of our vodka. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of our peach schnapps. And next, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of our fresh squeezed orange juice. So the only thing left to add is cranberry juice, and I'm actually not gonna add that until after we shake it. So go ahead and just grab some ice. We're gonna give this a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. What we're gonna do is add ice to our hurricane glass, and we're first gonna add the cranberry juice before we add our mix so we can give it a nice layered look. So go ahead and add in 1.5 ounces of your cranberry juice. And now go ahead and add in the rest of your drink. All right, next we're gonna slice up an orange wheel to garnish along with a couple cherries as well. And there you have it, some sex on the beach. Yeah, so boozy, fruity, sweet, delicious. Yeah, pretty much everything you might want if that's your kind of drink. It's amazing how that peach schnapps comes out so prominently, even though it's what is least mixed in this drink. But you definitely get a lot of that peach schnapps, which is so perfect in this drink. You get the fresh orange juice, the vodka. Of course, as soon as I mix up the cranberry, I'm gonna get the full effect of this drink, but I still got some photos I gotta take of the drink first. But there you have it, the sex on the beach. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this sex on the beach recipe, make sure you give us a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. I know this was a really wildly requested drink on Instagram. So I hope you guys get to enjoy this recipe, have fun. It's very, very delicious. And yeah, that's it. I'm AJ with Cocktail Cards. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.